Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon pudding cake, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, zest 2 lemons and separate eggs. Whisk yolks with sugar until pale, stir in flour and milk, then fold in melted butter and lemon zest. Beat egg whites to soft peaks and gently fold into batter. Pour into a greased 9x 9-inch pan. Bake until the top is golden and a skewer comes out mostly clean, then cool slightly before serving. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and bringing eggs, milk, and butter to room temperature for smoother mixing. Whisk egg yolks with sugar until the mixture is pale and slightly thick, then add sifted flour and milk and stir to combine. Melted butter and fresh lemon zest finish the batter before you flop in the whipped egg whites. Fold the whites carefully in 3 additions to preserve volume, pour into the pan, and smooth the top gently. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support new recipes. It really helps me out. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice. Life's too short for a stinky car, and it pairs surprisingly well with post-bake drives. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the dish on the center rack and bake until the top is set and golden, checking at the suggested time to avoid overbaking. A clean skewer with a few moist crumbs indicates the pudding is ready while the custard remains soft beneath the cake. Allow it to cool slightly to let the custard settle, then serve warm with a light dusting of powdered sugar or whipped cream for contrast. Leftovers keep well refrigerated for a couple days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.